I think there was about 15 tickets in the bucket, and 10 of them will be winners. Here we go, are you winners? You make your way over to the Help the Heroes tent, you get a chance to pick your prize. The second winner for the mascot race is Anne Williams. Anne Williams. The third winner is Stephen Wiltshire. Stephen Wiltshire. The fourth winner, Maisie Claret. Maisie. The fifth winner of the mascot race, Ricky Howell. Ricky Howell. The sixth winner is Marina Lee. Melvin Passmore. If you're a winner, head over to the Help the Heroes tent. Monica. Have the name Monica. The ninth. Lucy Hubbard. Lucy Hubbard. And the last
Yeah.